Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add documents onto your Wix website. Now, first off, you'll have to go to the Wix website editor. Now, if you don't know how to go to the Wix website editor, you just have to start from the dashboard here. And from the dashboard here, you have to select your desired site that you want to add the documents onto. And then you will need to click on this button here to design your site, which will take you to the Wix website editor right here. Now, I'm going to use a dummy text like this for a Word to demonstrate how to add a document. I'm going to click on the left hand side here on media. And on media, I'm going to click on this upload media. And I'm going to click upload from computer, show all files. And I'm going to upload this dummy text here. Now just wait for it to upload here. And once you see it uploaded, you can select it and then you can click add to page. Now the documents will look like this, right? They'll just look like this, and you can add in all sorts of document like a PDF or Word or the other files that you can take off. If I click on preview and I click on this, it'll download the file just like that. I'm going to go back to editor. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to show you now how to do it with a PDF. It's basically the same step. I'm going to save as here real quick. I'm going to go to test examples and I'm going to this time make it into PDF. Give me a second. PDF. There you go. PDF. I'm going to click on save. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go the same media, upload from computer, show all files. And this time it'll be the PDF here. Wait for it to load. Now you see it's uploaded here. Text.pdf. Just click on add to page. And now it'll show up like this. The icon is different because now it's a PDF and there's a Adobe Acrobat logo right there. You can also change the file directly here if you want. So you can change it back to the Word text if you want. But the logo will still be the same. So don't get too confused over it. You can also change the design here. You can change, see if I changed the file back to the docs one, right? So I'm just going to change the icon back to its docs as well. But there's also other logo you can pick from. See, like OTD, PDF, BBD, XLS, or these simple looking ones right here.